2018, Boss Job was introduced here in the Philippines. So 2017, it started in Singapore, and then 2018, it landed here in the Philippines. Now, as of date, we have more than 5 million already registered talents into the platform, and we have 300,000 monthly active talents, meaning to say, talagang naghahanap po at talagang online sila sa ating job platform, and 119,000 daily chats, meaning to say, talagang engaged ang ating mga applicants or ating mga talents within the job platform. So basically, we have already grown our base in 2C, and we've also grown our base in 2B. But what is the topic for tonight, since it's already Halloween, di ba? So the term that we're using tonight is ghosting. Ano nga ba ang ghosting? So, ang ghosting is when someone suddenly disappears like a ninja. Walang text, walang reply, walang goodbye, di ba? Sino ba sa atin dito ang naka-experience na ng ghosting? Sige nga. O yan. O, si Sir James. Sino pa? Ang naka-experience ng ghosting? O, Jess, parang naka-experience ka din ng ghosting, di ba? O, yan. So, we have experienced that in different formats. But actually, the job applicants also experience ghosting. So now, we at Boss Job actually want to combat that. Ayaw natin na mayroong naka-experience ng ghosting. Kasi masakit, di ba? Hindi maganda na nararamdaman mo na hindi ka sinasagot, hindi ka na pinapansin, at hindi mo na alam kung ano na ba nangyari. Okay? So, on the next slide, we did a research, internal research with our customer success team. So nagtanong-tanong kami dun sa mga tao na willing mag-participate in our platform na ano nga ba ang, ilan nga ba sa inyo ang nakaka-experience ng ghosting? And approximately 44% of the total responders said they really do experience ghosting. Okay? So medyo very significant number po ito. Kasi 44% out of 903 respondents were actually told us that they experienced ghosting. Alright, on the next slide, ito yung ibang mga reasons, no? So may sinasabi na from ghosting, ito yung ibang challenges that they actually experience when they apply for a job. They have no replies from employers, yun yung ghosting na ating tinatawag. Not enough job matches, 307. And then followed by other, maybe not recorded lang, but other parts is difficult to complete my online resume, unclear job description, and there are bugs and errors with the website and app. May mga ganon tayong indicators. But the number one talaga, that issue that is experienced by our job applicants o outside, no? Is really on ghosting. Okay, so paano nga ba natin ginagawa dito sa Boss Job yung pag-combat natin against ghosting? So there are 4 steps to prevent ghosting here with Boss Job. So number 1 is that we have real-time employer notifications. Meaning to say, kapag nag-apply, kunwari si Jeman, nag-apply sa isang company, the company will receive an email alert for the new job application or expression of interest. So agad-agad manonotify si employer. And they will stay informed about incoming candidates, and they will have enough time to quickly and timely respond to the applicant. So agad-agad nalalaman nila, ay, may bago tayong aplikante kasi meron tayong notifications. The second one is that there is a direct chat system. Meaning to say, as mentioned, open po yung communication ng both employer and the talent within our job platform. So, through Boss Job's chat feature, si job seeker naman can send resumes directly to employers. Now, on that portion, meaning to say, hindi po, yung resume po ay hindi po agad-agad nabibigay. Kailangan si employer is, si seeker or si job talent is empowered to actually be the one to provide the copy of the resume. So yung data privacy ng talent is actually kept very well because of our system. And then, there is a follow-up on application status in real time. So malalaman ng ating talent kung ano na ang nangyayari. And they can track the progress through chat updates And because of that, we are really enabling the two-way communication that combats ghosting. Now, the third one, so meron tayong nakita, di ba, na the job doesn't match or they do not match with the job. Pero, pasok naman talaga sila. Hindi lang maayos yung kanilang resume. So, ang meron tayo is an AI-powered CV template. Libre po ito. So, ang gagawin lang po nila ay gagawa sila ng sariling resume based doon sa ina-applyan nila na trabaho. So, kunwari, they want to be a customer representative. Okay? And then, they would have to input their resume into our system and our AI would be able to read it and analyze and provide them with a better version of their resume that would match to the job that they're applying for. Okay? So, that is why mawawala na yung kaba nila at takot nila na hindi na sila sasagutin dahil hindi tama yung resume na binigay nila. The fourth one is online status visibility. So basically, both the employer and the talent are able to see kung online po ba or offline po ba yung ating kausap. So makikita mo agad na pwede siya talaga sumagot or hindi siya online. So hindi mo siya i-chat. So kung kailan mo siya i-chat, kapag online siya. So agad-agad malalaman din ng ating seeker or ang ating talent to actually apply for a job. Now, apart from this, so these are the factors, the features of our app in Boss Job. But beyond that, talagang we go the extra mile here in Boss Job because we also have our customer success team. Meaning to say, sila po talaga yung tumutulong at sumusuport para sa lahat ng aspeto. Meaning to say, both employers and also to the talents under Boss Job. So we have different teams for that. So we have a talent moderator. We call it a talent moderator. And here with me is our talent moderator. He is Kafu. He is our talent moderator in Boss Job. So siya po ang nagte-take care, nag-aalaga dun sa ating mga talents in the app. And a customer success representative who takes care naman on the employer side. Okay? So, ano po ba yung mission talaga natin with this customer success team? So, ang kanilang mission talaga is that we are able to educate job seekers on how to maximize our features. And then we are able to provide job application tips and personalized advice. And we serve as a bridge between job seekers and employers to ensure smoother communication. So ano po ba yung ginagawa ng talent moderator? Right? So ito yun, apat, or ang customer success team, ito yung ginagawa. So feedback gathering. So kunwari, meron talagang real concern. Okay? Itatrack yun. Kasi may notify na, uy, may problema si talent. So, itatrack nila yon at pagkatapos, kakausapin ng Boss Job, ng talent moderator, para malaman kung ano yung problema niya in terms of the application. And then, the talent moderator will be the one to actually help that talent to solve the problem or the issue. The employer coordination. So, kunwari, there's ghosting reported, hindi sumasagot si employer. Ngayon, ang gagawin ni Customer Success is i-collect niya po yung details and alerts the sales team for follow-up. So, our internal team will follow up on your behalf. So, if you're the talent and the employer is not responding to you, our team will coordinate internally to help you reach them. Even though they're online, they're not still responding, so the internal team will reach them for you and ask them what's happening. Okay? And when they give feedback, we will be the ones to help both talent and the employer to reconcile the differences. Okay? Follow up with employers. Yun na nga po, we want to be able to reach them better and we connect both sides. Ayun. So yun po yung ginagawa ng ating customer success team. So basically po, ang sinasabi po natin dito on our next slide is that ayaw po talaga natin ng ghosting. Okay? So, with Boss Job, both talents and employers don't have to face the silence. Hindi na po mangyayari yung ghosting. Kasi po, we would want both talents and employers to be able to achieve success together and match them together. So meron tayong iba't ibang solutions because with Boss Job, we turn ghosting into genuine connections. At meron po tayong special guest tonight. Ito po talaga yung ating ghost. Ayan. Siya ang ating ghost. Oh, pwede kang pumasok. Ayan. Hindi mo deserve mag-ghost sa job application. Ayan, yan po ang ating sinasabi, ano? Hindi mo deserve mag-ghost sa job application. Kaya, okay, pwede ka na tumalikod. Ayan. Be empowered and scan now. So, find job, talk to boss. So, that is our QR code. You can change the slide so that they can also see here the code where you can actually download our app and be able to experience, well, you are very much good in your, where you are now in your career. But if you want to shift or you have friends who you want to actually help in terms of finding the best match and best experience in terms of finding the best career for them, do download this or take a snapshot and send it to them so that they can download our app and be able to experience how it is with Boss Job Philippines. So on that, I would like to greet everyone a happy Halloween at bawal po ang ghosting. So maraming salamat po.